I got a question. What's wrong with you, bro? Okay. What's the capital of France?
Paris!
Okay, what does the cow say?
Oh! Okay.